Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. This is our first video. I hope to assist you on your journey to learn Turkish through this and all my future videos. I believe I can do this because I understand you very well. I have been living abroad for many years in different countries as an expat, and I have been trying to learn the languages of the countries I live in. I truly understand what you need when learning a language, and I'm ready to do my best for you. Please feel free to share any questions, views, and suggestions in the comments. I would be happy to answer them. Turkish is a language belonging to the Ural-Altaic language family, and its history extends back to Central Asia. Over time, Turkish people migrated westward, forming Turkish-speaking communities across a wide geography, including Anatolia and Europe. Today, Turkish is spoken not only in Turkey but also in countries such as Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan. Turkish uses the Latin alphabet, which consists of 29 letters. Some of these letters do not exist in English, for example.
Ç, yumuşak G, I, Ö, Ş, Ü.
The Latin alphabet was adopted in 1928 with the alphabet reform carried out by
Mustafa Kemal Atatürk.
This reform replaced the Arabic alphabet with the Latin alphabet. So, in my first video, I would like to briefly talk about the structure of the Turkish language. Turkish is a truly fascinating language. One of the most remarkable features of Turkish is that it is an agglutinative language. What does this mean? We can create new words and meanings by adding suffixes like
De,
or
da,
to word roots. For example, by adding the suffix
de,
in, on, at to the word,
ev,
which means house, we get
evde,
in the house, or by adding
da,
to,
okul,
which means school, we get
okulda,
at the school. These suffixes can express tense, person, condition, and many other meanings. For instance, the suffix
de,
or
da,
corresponds to prepositions like in, on, and at in English. It's used based on vowel harmony rules.
de,
Is used after front vowels.
e, I, Ö, Ü.
And
Da,
is used after back vowels.
a, I, o, u.
These suffixes can also be combined with other suffixes to create even more complex meanings. For instance, to say I am at home in Turkish, you would say
Evdeyim. Ev, de, yim. Evdeyim.
that combines the suffix
De,
which means at, with,
yim.
which means I am. Briefly, Turkish words are like Lego pieces, creating different structures by playing with suffixes. Another important rule is vowel harmony. Vowel harmony is a key rule in Turkish that makes the language sound melodic. It means that the vowels in our words and their suffixes need to be in harmony. This rule helps make Turkish easier and more fluent. We will explain this in our future episodes. In Turkish, word order is usually subject, object, verb. That is, first who, then what, and finally what is being done. For example, in the sentence,
Ben elma yiyorum. Ben elma yiyorum.
which means I am eating an apple,
Ben
which means I, is the subject,
elma
which means apple, is the object, and
yiyorum.
which means I am eating, is the verb. However, in many cases, the subject is often implied rather than stated explicitly, especially in spoken Turkish. For instance,
Elma yiyorum. Elma yiyorum.
which means I am eating an apple, is perfectly natural and understood even without saying the subject word.
Ben. Ben.
But don't worry, you'll get used to this order in time. Verb conjugations also play an important role in Turkish. Verbs are conjugated according to tense, person, and mood. For example, the present tense first person singular conjugation of the verb
Gelmek. Gelmek.
which means to come is
Gelirim. Gelirim.
which means I come. It may seem complicated at first, but once you understand the logic, it becomes very fun. Turkish also has a rich vocabulary. Throughout history, it has been influenced by different languages and has adopted many words. You will encounter many words from Arabic, Persian, and French. This makes Turkish more colorful and diverse. I hope this video has helped you take your first step into the fascinating world of Turkish. If you have any questions or topics you want to learn, please don't hesitate to write to me in the comments. If you liked our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın.